This is my rebuilt version of vertical single. It uses a ball bearing on the input side instead of a poppet valve. And for the output valve, instead of having a cam operated output valve, it uses another sliding ball bearing in the head, so that when the inlet valve opens, the air pressure before it can get into the cylinder has to push another ball bearing to the side or to the back, covering up the exhaust port and uncovering a port into the cylinder. When the piston reaches bottom dead center, or actually what I should say is when the inlet valve closes, the pressure is shut off. The exhaust ball bearing valve, which is spring loaded, returns to its original position, covering up the input port and uncovering the exhaust port, letting the air inside the cylinder exhaust. This type of arrangement will basically run any cycle with an engine. This one happens to be running two-stroke, that is, it's getting a power pulse every revolution, but it would work equally well with a power pulse every other revolution, every sixth revolution, every fourth, whatever.